Hi everybody, hope you're doing well. So this video is exclusively for the students who are going to appear for CAT 2021. Since we are just a month away, I'm sure that you must be feeling anxious, nervous, right? You must be having that jittery feeling. But believe me on this, you are not the only one. Most of the students have the same sort of an emotion and it is absolutely fine. So in this video, we are going to understand that what should be done rightly so that we are able to give our best shot for the upcoming exam. So before we begin the discussion, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Juhi Narula. I have 12 years of experience in training students for CAT, GMAT and GRE. I also happen to be a life skills coach and a content creator. I've done my bachelor's in technology and master's in business administration. So this is the Telegram channel. You can join the Telegram channel so that you get the notifications for all the upcoming sessions and classes which I take on YouTube and on an Academy's platform. Right, so I take classes Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. on an Academy CAT for MBA and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at 11 p.m. on an Academy CAT. The special classes. So what are special classes? These classes are free sessions that you can avail on the app, and there are a lot of interesting features which you can utilize which are on an Academy's app. All you need to do is go to the Play Store and download the app and unlock it using the code JNLife10. So my special classes happen Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. and usually the plus sessions happen on the weekends. So now when we talk about joining the Telegram channel, we have one medium where you can get the notifications for all the sessions and classes. So please do join. Now, apart from our free sessions that we offer you at an academy, we also have two subscription plans which help you get the right boost. So we name those plans as Plus and Iconic. So in Plus, there are live classes, there are weekly tests. Study material is provided, which is in depth, so you can download the PDFs and utilize them to the core. There's unlimited access to the sessions. So say for instance, you have enrolled for one particular course, doesn't mean once that course gets over, you cannot be a part of other courses. You can be a part of as many courses and as many batches as you feel, right? So that gives you a holistic approach. You can learn from so many trainers. There might be one trick that you've picked from one trainer that worked, or one trick picked from another trainer that helped you solve some quick question, right? So there was a quick strategy that worked for you. So that's the benefit that you can avail. Apart from this, the courses are structured. So whenever we have to crack exam like CAT, it is very important that our effort is in the right direction. So the courses are planned and in such a way that they help the student rightly in every possible bit. Now, apart from the Plus subscription, we also have Iconic subscription. So in Iconic, there is personal guidance. There would be a coach who's going to handhold you in your entire journey of preparation. There's a study planner which is provided. So at times we are putting in effort, but the effort is not in the right direction. So when you see that there is a person who's going to help you with the study planner by doing bi-weekly reviews, so you can see how much clarity you will get and how you would be able to identify the right path for yourself. Then there is one-on-one live mentoring, detailed test analysis, which is very crucial to crack CAT. And another interesting feature is expert guidance. So you can choose between the Plus and or Iconic program depending upon your requirements. So if you go for Plus subscription for 6 months, the fees is 16,400. The fees for 18 months is 28,550, and for 24 months the fees is 32,800. In Iconic, the fees for 6 months is 25,800, and for 12 months it is 39,500. For 24 months it is 59,999. Also, you can use the code JNLife10 to get a 10% off on any of the subscriptions. The same code can be used to unlock the special classes on an Academy's platform, and the same can be used to participate in the combats that happen every Sunday on the app. So let's get started. Now, it is very important that we have the right mindset. So any aptitude exam is just not knowing the skills. It is also your mental strength that you show, the clarity that you show, the confidence that you show, the exam preparedness that you show, right? All these skills are equally important to crack CATs. It's just not knowing the concepts. It is also knowing the test taking strategies. So the first thing is that we start with the positive mindset. So at this point of time, many of us start feeling negative. So you have to control this instinct. This happens to humans. If you start thinking negative, you'll continue making chains in your head, and that's going to, be a demon that works, that plays with your thoughts. So that should not happen. You should have such positive and hopeful mindset that you'll be able to see the improvement happening, and take it like this, that I am just a month away from my dream college. I know it is a big thing, but that big thing, if you're, until and unless you're thinking big, you're aiming high, how would you succeed? So just keep this thought that I am just a month away in creating a wonderful life ahead for myself. So we are going to understand that what should be done rightly, so that we are able to effectively utilize the remaining days that we have in our hand. So the first thing is stay calm. Anxiety is common, but you have to find ways to bring that inner peace in you, right? Why do we lose inner peace? Because maybe we are not sticking to our schedule. So one important thing is that just don't be erratic. Anytime getting up, anytime sleeping, you were really enjoying solving the questions, and then you slept 2 hours late, then you're getting up the next day late, then their entire schedule is being ruined. So just don't do that, right? Stick to your schedule, stick to your plan. At times we'll make a plan and we'll aggressively work on it, but next day, something came up. I know it's a time of festivities also, so there might be some engagements, some Diwali functions in your house, but try to resist that, and try to be as honest, as disciplined as you can with your schedule. That's going to show you a lot of positive improvement in your performance. Then at this point of time, there's no time to drastically change your paper attempting strategies. With so many mocks that you must have appeared, you must have learned or identified that how do I strategize solving my paper. So of course small variations definitely will happen till the end of the day, but major changes will be something that is going to not benefit you here at this point of time. Because you must have, most of you who are watching the video must have started appearing for mocks at least 3 months before. So it's too late to bring any major change in your paper taking strategies. So adhere to that. Small minute changes are fine. You can play around with few questions, but overall bringing a change is something which is not recommended at all. Another important thing is that be aggressive in appearing for mocks. Appear for as many mocks as possible. I'm sure this is a common suggestion which every trainer at this point of time would advise. And follow it by stringent analysis. Don't just analyze it that I'm doing well in verbal and I'm not doing well in quant, or vice versa. Take a pen and paper, and whatever time you have invested in appearing for the mock, invest the equivalent time, if not more, to do the analysis. Do the SWOT analysis, identify the strengths, identify the weak areas, identify where is the opportunity to grow, what are the areas which are absolutely unapproachable at this point of time. Then only you will be able to understand that how do you work, so that you see the improvement in the next mock. So it should not be that I'm not able to do well in reading comprehension. Where are you missing on rightly understanding the question? Was a history passage creating trouble for you, or did you could not eliminate an incorrect answer choice, or you got trapped in recycled language? Where is the problem lying in reading comprehension, right? That sort of clarity, that sort of detailed analysis is going to work for you. So please, always, any practice session, any mock that you're appearing for, ensure that you do rigorous analysis and analyze like a pro, right? Every little detail that you can gather from your test, please look at it, observe it, to work on it, so that you can see that area improving in the next mock, right? So you're giving a mock, and the next mock that you give, whatever interval you have kept, 3 days, 2 days, 4 days, 5 days, whatever interval you have decided for yourself, please ensure that there is improvement. And improvement will happen if your effort is in the right direction. And how do you know effort is in the right direction? Once an improvement happens. So that's a circle that we create for ourselves. So please ensure that your analysis is rock solid, so that the improvements are reflected. Now, another important advice is that be wise in time segregation. I don't know what this incorrect mindset is, that whatever remains to be a weak area, students start working more on it. Of course, you need to invest more time, but that doesn't mean that you are going to dedicate all your time to that weak area. और सम स्टूडेंट्स माइट entirely leave it, that verbal नहीं निकल रहा, क्वेश्चंस नहीं हो रहे, तो छोड़ो वर्बल को, DILR क्वांट को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लेते हैं, राइट? ऐसा मत करिए, बैलेंस प्रेपरेशन रखिए, हर सेक्शन को इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस दीजिए, क्योंकि आपका पर्सनटाइल ओवरऑल सारे सेक्शंस की परफॉर्मेंस पर बेस्ड होगा। तो अगर आप एकदम से वर्बल को नेग्लेक्ट कर देंगे या इग्नोर कर देंगे, तो आपको उतना पर्सेंटाइल नहीं मिलेगा जो आपको टॉप आईएम्स तक लेकर जाए। So invest your time carefully, distribute your time effectively. Your time, whatever your timetable is, that should have some practice sessions, that should have some strategy building sort of things going on, that should, include the time to identify the weak areas. So distribute your time wisely. That's very, very important. And that's one basic step students forget to apply, right? Another important thing is create your own bubble. तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस कैसा चल रहा है, तेरे मॉक में क्या मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, मेरे क्या आ रहे हैं, तुमने कितना पढ़ लिया, ऐसा कुछ मत करिए। एंड समहाउ आई एम नॉट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्टर ऑफ ग्रुप स्टडीज ऑल्सो, क्योंकि आपका बैटल आपके खुद से है। ये एक सोशल साइंस का पेपर नहीं है, या हिस्ट्री का नहीं है कि चार दोस्त मिलके बैठेंगे और बहुत सारी पढ़ाई कर लेंगे, राइट? इट इज़ योर ओन बैटल, इट इज़ योर ओन स्किल। दूसरे स्टूडेंट को रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन करने में जितना टाइम लगता है, ज़रूरी नहीं आपको उतना लगे, या आप पैरा जंबल क्विकली कर लेते हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं दूसरा उसी टाइम पे करे। तो आपको अपने स्किल सेट्स के साथ जस्टिस करनी है, एंड यू हैव टू प्ले एज पर योर स्ट्रेंथ। तो जितना हो सके अब अपना बबल क्रिएट करना शुरू कर दीजिए। ज़्यादा इधर उधर बात करना, एनालिसिस करना, सोशल मीडिया को यूज़ करना, परफॉर्मेंसेस का फीडबैक लेना, ट्रेनर से लीजिए, अपने एजुकेटर से लीजिए, अपने मेंटोर से लीजिए, बट हर किसी से मत लीजिए, राइट? कोई एक गलत एडवाइस जो आपको उस टाइम क्लिक कर गई, वो आपके पूरे पूरे मेहनत को स्पॉइल कर देगी। सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू क्रिएट योर ओन बबल, एंड as much as possible distance yourself from social media. एक तो इट्स टू एडिक्टिव। अगर आप कुछ एक रील देखना चालू करते हैं, दूसरी आ जाती है, तीसरी आ जाती है, तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलता कहाँ आपने सोचा होता है मैं 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लूंगा और वापस स्टार्ट कर दूंगा, और वो 5 मिनट का ब्रेक 30 मिनट का ब्रेक हो जाता है। हो सके तो किसी भी वेब सीरीज में भी अभी इंडल्ज मत करिए, राइट? क्योंकि वो भी बहुत बड़ा एडिक्शन है। तो अगर आपको ब्रेक लेना ही है, सो दैट यू कैन यू कैन यू मेडिटेट, यू कैन चैंट, यू कैन गो फॉर अ वॉक, यू कैन हिट द जिम फॉर 5-10 minutes, राइट? बट डोंट डू एनीथिंग दैट consumes a lot of your time, right? That consumes a lot of your energy, जो आपको ड्रेन करके छोड़ दे या आपको पकड़ के रख ले। हमें ऐसा लगता है कि रात को सोने से हम पहले 5 मिनट फोन देखेंगे एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू स्लीप, पर वो आपके स्लीप पैटर्न्स को हिंडर करती है। तो इसलिए जितना हो सके, दिस इज माई स्ट्रॉन्ग रिकमेंडेशन, डिस्टेंस योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया। देखिए आपका लाइफ, पूरा आपका पूरा करियर स्टेक पे है, आपकी लाइफ स्टेक पे है। आप कौन सी कार में ट्रैवल करते हैं, आप कौन से ब्रांड के शूज़ पहनते हैं, आप कहाँ हॉलीडेज पे जाते हैं, ये सब डिपेंड करता है कि आप कैट में कैसा परफॉर्म करते हैं। तो द स्टेक्स आर वेरी हाई। सो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम माई स्ट्रॉन्ग रिकमेंडेशन वुड बी दैट डोंट डू एनी फुलिशनेस और डोंट वेस्ट effort and don't waste your time, where you are not able to get any benefit from, right? And please pay attention to your mental health. It is very important, it is very, very important, very crucial। और वो तभी होगा जब आप just when you are giving some time for your own self। अगर आप ऐसा कर रहे हो कि आप 6 घंटे सो रहे हो और बाकी सारा टाइम पढ़ रहे हो, तो आपको बीच में ब्रेक की ज़रूरत है, राइट? क्योंकि अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा इंडल्ज कर जाओगे, तो कई बार इतना प्रेशर में आ जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स की एग्जाम के टाइम पर परफॉर्मेंस हो ही नहीं पाती। तो अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ को भी इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस दे, राइट? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर आपका ब्रेन ही उस दिन फंक्शन नहीं करेगा, तो ये सारा एफर्ट फ्यूटाइल है। सो दीज आर फ्यू इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स विच यू माइट बी नोइंग, विच सो मेनी पीपल मस्ट हैव एडवाइज्ड यू, बट these are the strategies, these are the mantras that have helped the toppers। so you need to see how do you apply them। सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, पर एप्लीकेशन इससे भी ज्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो आज सोचिए, आपने वीडियो देख लिया है, देखिए कि आप कितना इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे तो कुछ स्टेप्स इंक्लूड करके देखिए। आई एम श्योर लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी विल कम, लॉट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट विल कम, and lot of confidence will come. So you can enroll for a program also for CAT 2021 and other management entrance test. CAT के बाद आपको बहुत सारे दूसरे मैनेजमेंट एंट्रेंस टेस्ट देने होंगे। आई एम श्योर अगर आपने अभी तक फॉर्म्स नहीं फिल करे तो रिस्पेक्टिव फॉर्म ज़रूर फिल करिए। अब इनके साथ हर टेस्ट की एक इंडिविजुअल रिक्वायरमेंट है, और वो रिक्वायरमेंट को एस करने के लिए आपको प्रोफेशनल हेल्प बहुत मदद करेगी। So this is a great time where you can, enroll for the course so that you are assisted in other management entrance tests. For 6 months, the fees is 16,400, and also you can use the code JNLife10 to get a 10% off. Right? And mocks are very important, very crucial. मैं mocks कितनी important है, मैं I don't have words even to explain that. So there is this comprehensive evaluation for CAT 2021 going on. 4 full-length mock tests are there. So two have already happened. You can enroll for the remaining 2 tests, and then there would be detailed report. Then there would be analysis. There would be live video solutions. So you will be really, benefited by appearing for these mocks. So my ultimate advice is keep working hard, stay consistent, stay hopeful. All the best. Rock on. Take care.